decimal squares we are studying today. So 0.5 square. How will you find out the square of 0.5? What is the square of 5? 5 square is 25. So 0.5 square means 0.5 into 0.5. Here 5 into 5 it is 25. Here how many decimals? 2 decimals. So it is 0.25. If it is 0.05 or 0.5 whole square, how will you write the square? Square is 0.05 into 0.05. So 5 square is 25. Then here how many decimals? 4 decimals. So 4 decimals should be there. So 0.0025. Then what about 0.15 square? 15 square is 225. Here 2 decimals. So double of that should be 4. So 0.0225. 0.02225 will get. The answer was 0.15 square. So take the, how many decimals is there? Take the double of that. Here 2 decimals. In answer there should be 4 decimals. Here also 2. You get 4 decimals here. Here 1 decimal, 0.5 square. So 0.5 into 0.5. You will get 0.25. So here 1 decimal. You will get the answer as 2 decimals. Take the double. Okay, double decimal places should be there. So this is the decimal squares. What about 1.5 square? 1.5 square is 1.5 into 1.5. So here 2 decimal places should be there in the answer. So it is 2.25 is the answer. 15 square is 225. 1.5 square is 2.25. 0.013. What is the square of 13? Square of 13 is, 13 square is 169. So here 3 decimal places are in there in the question. So the answer should be double of this, that is 6. So 169 is the square of 13. Then 3 more decimal places we need in the answer. If it is 0.13 square, 169, and here 2 decimal places, in the answer there should be 4 decimal places. So 1.3 square, how do you write? It is 1.69. 1.2 square is 1.2 into 1.2. 12 into 12 is 144. Then here 1 decimal, in answer there should be 2 decimal places. So 1.44. 0.12 square. It is 0.12 into 0.12. The answer is 144 is the square of 12. Here 4 decimal. 2 decimals here. In the answer there should be 4 decimals. So the answer is 0.0144. 0.5 square is 0.25. Here how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Is the number of decimal places. Then here 0.05 square is 0.0025. Number of decimal places are 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 0.5 square is 0.25, 2.25. So 2 decimal places. 0.15 square is 0.0225. So here 4 decimal places. Here 0.4 square is 0.16. So there should be 2 decimal places. Here 0.04, 0.0016 is 4 decimal places. So you can see here all are even numbers. So the decimal places are even. We can say these are the perfect squares. Which of the following numbers are squares? From these numbers, which are the squares that we have to find out? So Here only one decimal 2.5. 0.25 is the next one. 0.0016 is the next one. 14.144 is the next one, and 1.44. So we studied earlier decimal places. If there is one decimal places, 5 square, 0.5 square you wrote as 0.25. So here one decimal, then answer there should be two decimal places. This 1.5 square is 2.25. Here also two decimal places. 0.05 square is 0. Here two decimal, the answer there should be four decimal places. So this is the common. The number of decimal places in the answer must be an even number. So here also even number. How many numbers? 2. Here also 2. Here there should be 4 decimals. Here will be 2 decimals. Here 2 decimals. So these numbers always it is an even number. So if the number is a square of some numbers or squares, we can say that the number of decimal places in the answer must be even. So count the number of decimal places. Here how many are there? Here only 1. Here 2. Here 4 decimal places. Here only 1. Here 2 decimal places. So easily you can find out if the decimal places are even. This is a square of a particular number. This is a square of the particular number, and this is also a square of the particular number. And this is not a square of numbers. 2.5 is not a square of any number, and 14.4 is not a square of any number. So 0.25 is a square of which one? 0.5 square. And 0.0016 is the square of which number? 0.04. 0.04 is 0.0016. Square of 4 is 16. So here 2 decimal places. In answer there should be 4 decimal places. And what about this 1.44? Which is the decimal of this? It is 1.2 square. 1.2 square is 1.44. So these are the 3 answers are correct, but other 2 are not correct. They are not decimals because they are not the square numbers, because the number of decimal places are odd here. Here is only 1, here also 1, the odd numbers. So if the number of decimal places are even, we can say that is the square of some other number. So 0.25 is the square of 0.5 square, 0.0016 is the square of 0.014, and 1.44 is the square of 1.2. Next topic is square product. What about 2 square into 3 square? 2 square is 2 into 2. 3 square is 3 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. You can write as 36. Next one, 5 square into 4 square. 5 square means 5 into 5 multiplied by 4 into 4. 5 square is 25. 4 square is 60. So if you find out this multiplication, 25 into 16, you have to multiply it. So it is not easy to directly multiply. And if you multiply, we are getting the answer as 400. So instead of this, we can find out an easy method. So 5 square into 4 square is, we wrote as 5 into 5 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4. This we can write as 5 into 4 into 5 into 4. This is same. 5 into 5 into 4 into 4 means we can write as 5 into 4 into 5 into 4. So 5 into 4 we can easily find out 20. Here also 20. And 2 into 2, what is that? 4. You can add 2 zeros. You will get 400. So instead of directly finding out, we can use this equation. So 5 into 4 we multiply. This 5 into 4 we multiply it. Then 20 into 20 is 400. 5 square into 8 square. 5 square is 5 into 5. 8 square is 8 into 8. So So instead of directly multiplying, multiply like this: 5 into 8 into 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is 40. 40 into 40. 4 square, 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 16. Then 2 zeros. So directly instead of finding out, we can easily do like this. So 5 into 5 into 8 into 8. 5 into 8, 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is 40. 40 into 40, 1600. So you can write as 2.5 into 2.5 into 4 into 4. Then 2.5 into 4. Then 2.5 into 4. 25 into 4, you know how much? 100. Here how many decimals? Only one decimal. So 10 we get 10.0 into, here also 25 into 4 is 100. Then one decimal, so 10. So 10 into 10. How much you are getting? The answer is 100. And one more thing, if you take the square of two products, we will get the square of the previous. Okay. So it is 5 square into 8 square is 16,000 square. 16 square of which one? 40 square. 40 into 40 is 1600. Here 2.5 into 4 square is 100. 10 into 10 is 100. So 10 is the 100 is the square of 10 square. So you are getting the product as the another product of squares. 1.5 square into 0.2 square. So it is 1.5 into 1.5 into 0.2 into 0.2. So you can write as 1.2 into 0.2. 1.2 into 0.2. 1.5 into 15 into 2 is 30. Here 2 decimals. So 0.3 into, here also 15 into 3 is 30. 2 decimals 0.3. So 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3 is 0.09. 2 decimal places. So 0.09. X and y are two numbers. Square of x square into y square we can write as xy whole square. So 2 square into x you can take as 2, y you can take as 3. That is 2 square into 3 square is 2 into 3 whole square. Like that also you can take it. So 6 square, that is 36. X square into y square is x into y whole square. Or we can write multiply like that. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 9 into 4 is 36. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 9 into 4 is 36. That's the same that is you are getting here also. So the numbers are x and y. You can write x square into y square. X square into y square, instead of separately finding out, we can write it together. Xy whole square. 2 square into 3 square is 2 into 3 whole square. You are getting 2 square into 36. If 5 square into 4 square, I will write 5 into 4 whole square. So 5 into 4 is 20. 20 square is 400. So easily we can find out like this. Then 5 square into 8 square, the previous one we done. That is 5 into 8 whole square. 5 into 8 is 40. 40 square is 1600. Like that we can easily find out. Instead of finding out separately, we can multiply it and take the square. So 2 square into 3 square is 2 into 3 is whole square. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 square is 36. 5 into 4 square. 5 square into 4 square is 5 into 4 whole square. 5 into 4 is 20. So 20 square is 400. Directly we can find out like this. So instead of separately writing, we can directly find out the answer. If three numbers x, y and z is there, x square into y square into z square is x into y into z. X, y, z you can write whole square. So x square into y square into z square is x, y, z whole square. 8 square into 2 square into 5 square. 8 square into 2 square into 5 square is 8 into 2 into 5 whole square. What is 5 into 2? 10. 10 into 8? 80. So 80 square. 8 square is 64. Then 2 zeros. So 8 square into 2 square into 5 square is 6,400. 2 square into 3 square into 4 square. So you can write as 2 into 3 into 4 whole square. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4 is 24. 24 square. 24 square is 576. So just multiply the numbers, then take the square.